Hello, today I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved Microsoft Office documents. Whether Word, Excel, or PowerPoint suddenly crashed or you accidentally closed a file without saving, Microsoft Office has built-in recovery features that can help you get your work back. Don't panic, your document might still be there. Let's get started. Go to the File tab in the top left corner. Select Info from the sidebar. Click on Manage Document. Choose Recover Unsaved Documents. A list of unsaved files will appear. Click Open to view and save the file. That's it. You've recovered your unsaved document. Hopefully one of these methods helped recover your lost data. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.